Welcome to Father Lopez Catholic High School, a Christ-centered community of learners. Not only do we have amazing academics, but what I really love about Father Lopez is the sense of community. Here, everyone is welcome, and it feels like family.
Father Lopez offers a multitude of class levels to fit each student's needs. In addition to regular and honors level courses, we also offer dual enrollment and advanced placement classes. These courses help students become prepared and receive college credit before attending their university of choice.
So here at Father Lopez, we offer a wide variety of sports. The facilities are great, and I'm part of the weightlifting team and the football team, and I think it's very important to be part of a team because you get to make new friends that you normally wouldn't have, and you get to create bonds that will hopefully last you through a lifetime.
I play baseball and basketball here, and it's just a great experience for me to have. It's an experience I didn't get to have at my last school I was at when I transferred there, and it's just fun to be around new kids and just have fun. And the coaches and teammates are all on your side, and it's just like a big family here to have, and it's a great experience.
Here at Father Lopez, we take pride in what makes us different, and that is our faith.
Here at Father Lopez, all are welcome. No matter if you're Catholic or non-Catholic, you have a voice in our community.
Father Lopez is a really unified community, and it's really nice because wherever you are, you can just go up to people, go up to teachers or fellow students, and just talk to them about anything, and everyone has your best interests at heart.
The culture here at Lopez is really great and really positive. The teachers are here to help you, the staff members are here to support you, and students are also there if you ever need your classmates' help. What makes Lopez so great is our low student-teacher ratio, which is just 18:1. So I really get that one-on-one time with my teachers, and at any time I can go to them for help, and they're there to help me and they want to help me, and that's what makes it so great. All the teachers here are certified in what they do, and more than half of them have a degree above a bachelor's degree, so I know that I'm always in good hands.
This is the Visual Tech and Yearbook class. In Visual Tech, people can build digital art portfolios to eventually go into the yearbook class, which I'm part of the yearbook staff.
So here at Father Lopez, we have many opportunities for the performing arts. We have classes you can take, but my personal favorite is the drama club. It's a supportive environment that really allows you to express your ideas and be able to collaborate with other people. We have certain performances that you can do. We do school events, and it's just a really good experience. We also have an accomplished dance program, and we have our dancing team, the Dancing Green Waves, and they have numerous national titles under their belt. They're always an excitement to watch. When I'm always at school events, I'm just in awe of the things that they're able to do. I'm not a dancer myself, but it's just amazing to see.
We also have traditional art classes throughout the school. Everything from basic art classes such as Art 1 and 2, we have 2D art classes, 3D art classes, all the way up to AP art classes, which allow people to make professional portfolios to develop for their professional careers.
Here at Father Lopez, there are many opportunities for students to showcase their leadership and grow in their skills. Not only do we have a lot of clubs based on student interest, we also have numerous honor societies. I'm in 2 leadership clubs, and I really enjoyed them because they allowed me to have a presence on the campus as well as consult teachers and students about things going on and make sure that we as a community are strong.
At our school, you have many opportunities to serve. Whether it is on campus or away, you have opportunities such as a mission trip, packaging goods, or donating to help make an impact on our area. A great way to serve in our community is meal packing. This helps unite our school and helps those who do not have meals at home. Another way we grow in our faith is by monthly masses, prayer at the cross, and studies in theology.
The food here at Father Lopez is amazing. We actually have our own chef here on campus, so there's freshly prepared meals daily. I'm always excited to see what Chef Ray has in store for us. There's always a variety of options and accommodations for each student. He also has certain specials he makes, like we have a break in the morning, and he always makes some sort of treat that's amazing.
I want to go into aeronautical engineering, and the college programs that this school offers me for aeronautics classes is just something I can't get anywhere else around here. I think it's very well preparing me for a really great college experience and success.
One word that I would use to describe Father Lopez is loving.
Family.
Unified.
Togetherness.
Awesome.
One word that I would use to describe Father Lopez is inclusive.
One word I would use to describe Father Lopez is together, because it is just such a supportive environment here. Anytime you walk down the hallway, everyone greets you. Teachers are always so invested in your experience here, and it's just a very friendly environment.
It feels like home.
Hello, my name is Lee Swyko, and it is my honor to be the principal of Father Lopez Catholic High School in Daytona Beach, Florida. I hope that you enjoyed your virtual tour today, and I hope that you got a sense of our beautiful community here at Father Lopez. I'd also like to thank our wonderful students for taking you on that tour. If you'd like to see more of Father Lopez, please feel free to call the school, and I would be very happy to take you on a personal tour to see everything with your own eyes. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, please feel free to call the school at any time. Thank you for visiting Father Lopez Catholic High School, and go Green Wave.